Don't start an AI automation agency. Every other video on YouTube right now is telling you to sell AI services. It feels like everyone in the world is doing this. The market looks saturated and you already feel like you're too late, right? Wrong, and I'm about to show you why. 84% of the world has never touched AI, and only 0.3% are paying for it. That saturated market, it doesn't exist. The noise you're hearing is coming from an incredibly tiny bubble. I'm Ava, and today I'm breaking down exactly why this moment in AI adoption is so rare, why most people have it completely wrong, and how you can position yourself on the right side of this wave. Whether you're thinking about starting an AI business, offering automation services, or just want to understand where the market actually is, this is the reality check you need. Now look at this image. Every dot represents 3.2 million people, 2,500 dots, 8 billion humans. All that gray? People who've never used AI? That tiny sliver of gold at the bottom? That's the people actually paying for AI tools. And despite all the videos you see about Claude code and anti-gravity, that tiny red dot in the bottom is the number of people that are using AI to code, 0.04%. And most of the AI is overhyped crowd? They used free ChatGPT, got a mid-response, and decided that's all there is. That's like test driving a golf cart and saying cars aren't useful. The gap between free-tier AI and what you can build with paid models, agentic workflows, and automation, it's a canyon. We're talking systems that run customer service, generate marketing campaigns, build apps. Most people have zero frame of reference for that. Think about the mid-90s. Most people thought the internet was a fad. But the ones who actually understood it, they built Amazon, Google, entire industries. We're in that same window right now, except the barrier to entry is way lower. You don't need VC money. You don't need to write code from scratch. You just need to understand the tools, connect them, and solve real problems for real businesses. And the fact that 99.7% of the world hasn't figured this out yet, that's not a problem. That's your runway. So, what does this look like as a business? Every day, businesses are drowning in manual work. Scheduling, follow-ups, data entry, invoicing, content creation. Most of them know AI exists but have zero idea how to use it, and definitely no time to figure it out. That's where you come in. You connect an AI model to a CRM. You build a workflow that turns one blog post into 10 social media assets. You set up a voice agent that handles inbound calls. The demand is there, and the supply of people who can actually deliver is almost non-existent. So what should you actually learn? Start with a strong AI model, Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT, the paid versions. Learn how to prompt properly, because output quality is directly tied to input quality. Then pick up an automation platform like N8N, where you can connect AI to real business tools without writing a ton of code. Then pick a niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Maybe you help real estate agents automate follow-ups. Maybe you build AI receptionists for service businesses. The more specific, the easier to sell, and the more you can charge. Once you have learned how systems work in tools like N8N, you can start to play around with Claude Code, a powerful tool for building agentic workflows from natural language prompts. If you know what problem you want to solve, you just need to be able to articulate it, and Claude will do the rest. Now here's what people miss about timing. This window doesn't stay open forever. Right now, you can learn these tools in a few months and legitimately be in the top 1% of AI practitioners worldwide. But as adoption grows, the bar gets higher. More competition, more sophisticated clients, lower prices. The people who move now build their reputation and their portfolio while the market is still wide open. The people who wait compete against everyone who finally caught on. So look at that image again. All that gray, 6.8 billion people who've never touched AI. And then you, in that tiny sliver at the bottom, already understanding the potential. The gap between what you know and what the market knows is massive right now. Every day you spend learning and building, you're compounding an advantage most people don't even know exists. I'm Ava, and I built this channel for the people who don't just want to watch AI happen, they want to use it. If that's you, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.